We just got home like, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, and we are unpacking. This is the current situation.
Unpacking and unboxing and cleaning, because cleaning is a must.
So we're gonna show you everything that we bought. Whoa.
Okay, so we're done cleaning the luggage. So now we are going to unpack our luggage. So first is yung una naming ginamit. Siguro mga ano lang naman to.
Also, we got held up at customs today and we missed a flight to Calgary.
Ay, oo. Ay, ano to? Bumili ka pala nito?
Yeah, just wanted to try it.
Yeah, so yung layover namin sa Calgary, mga isang oras kalahati lang dapat. And then, yung next flight namin is to Vancouver na. Pero, na-held kami sa customs kasi because
we bought more than $800 each. And
yeah, so yun.
anyways,
But that's all good at Applewood.
all good. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Okay.
Sure, yeah.
So here, you do.
So, first things first. Actually, unahin natin tong mga anik-anik kasi I wanna
Okay.
see that. Okay, so first na i-unpack natin is, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Bibili ka ng tax-free sa Japan, lalo na if consumable, minimake sure nila na naka-wrap siya in a very special, not naman special, but like yung standard na ginagamit nila for wrapping doon sa Japan for mga tax-free goods.
So this one is from Don Quixote. I think this is our biggest buy at Don Quixote because we only went there twice, and this
Yeah.
was the second time because most of the other stuff we got from like pharmacies and shops. Don Quixote is so overwhelming. Anyways,
It's overwhelming, super.
so we got a bunch of Biore stuff. Let me show you. Open this up. Okay, this is a spray. It's sunscreen spray, and it's good for summer. It's good to like top up sunscreen for summer if you're gonna be driving or you're gonna go up for a walk. We haven't tried this one actually, but it's just a spray. I'm gonna try it right now
It comes in free sa isang pack.
at Don Quixote.
Yeah. So, meron din naman, some stores, they sell individual packs, but then, nung pumunta kami dun sa Don Quixote, we realized na, okay, it's a good deal naman kasi baka bumili kami and then, magustuhan namin. So, sayang naman kung isa lang yung bibilhin namin. And we're already there, so might as well.
Sure.
And if hindi namin siya magustuhan, we can always, like, share it to, for salad,
Okay, so that's one.
So guys, siguro alam niyo naman no na pag naka-wrap siya sa if naka-wrap siya if bibili kayo for tax-free and tax-free goods and then i-wrap siya, you cannot consume it within dun sa Japan. So mabubuksan niyo lang siya pagbalik niyo or pag alis niyo ng Japan kasi siya pa yun sa customs.
We also got this lotion, the hand cream. You already saw this, we had it, but we just bought extra. And
Kasi nagustuhan namin siya.
also another SPF serum. It's all SPF. This one is for the face, and this is already the one that I was using in Japan, and I just bought one extra because why not?
Invest in moisturizers and SPF.
Another moisturizer for your hands, just for stock. And then they have this like Kiana face mask. So I just bought one to try. But yeah,
Looks like this.
and then we also have this strawberry latte from Starbucks, also from Don Quixote.
Have you guys tried this? Never pa namin kasi ito na-try. So, kinuha lang namin to kasi it's new to us.
And we're not big fans of Starbucks.
Yeah.
Anyway, I also have this deodorant that I got from the pharmacy earlier because apparently it's really good. So this one is called AG24 deodorant stick. It's pretty cool.
It looks like
I used it earlier and it's nice. These are just our stuff. Okay, so I don't know if we showed already our shoes that we bought, but these are the Onitsuka shoes that I think this one is mine.
I think that's mine. Ito din, binili din to namin. Binili din to ni Kim. This is a mask. Ito to? Derma Laser Super VC 100. Kaya din namin yan.
Okay, we also bought this cooling body mist that we didn't get to try yet. So I'm excited to try this. It's apparently just like a cooling mist for your, I don't know, the entire you. And it's good for summer? Question mark? Okay, and then we also bought these washroom sprays when you go poop. They smell really good. So we got those ones. Okay, opening up this bag. This one is from Loft. I love Loft. There's so many small things at Loft that I really like.
Na-squish na to.
Okay, these are also a lot of just face care stuff and pasalubong stuff. So we got some coffee that looks really cute. So this one and this one, they're really cute. They're just like cup coffees with the drippers. And then these are the masks that Kat liked while we were staying at our hotel. So we got 2 packs of these. And then I wanted to try this hyaluronic face mask. So we also got that. And these are already the things that we use. And it's just cheaper there. So it's the annual PDRN hyaluronic acid and the Medicube PDRN pink. So we already use this. We just bought stock. So we don't have to buy anymore. And while we were there, we used this annual facial wash that we both like. So we bought just an extra one.
Heartleaf BHA.
And then we bought tape and a couple of Smiskies. These are like blind boxes for this collectible figures from Japan. And they're quite expensive here, but these are only like $10 over there. So I bought a couple of those and another coffee thing and this hair comb that's like viral. Really excited to use this one and try it actually. But we bought one of these. I think this was kind of pricey though, so I don't know. Looks like this. Like, I don't know if that's clear, but it's really nice looking. I wanna try. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference on my hair, but it is this. Okay, you open one.
Ito guys, sobrang patok nito dun sa Japan. Ang daming bumibili nito, pero hindi ko pa rin siya na-try. Hindi ko alam. Si Kim,
It's fine.
it was okay. Pero, hindi na kami bumili ng bago nito. Ito, bigay ito ng mami ni Kim. 3.9 ni Kim to nung gabi na dumating kami. But, sabi niya it's fine daw. So, hindi na kami bumili na marami kasi parang okay lang naman siya. Next item.
This is from another lot.
Okay. Hold on, sorry. Ito, binili din namin to sa Don Quixote ba to?
Yeah. Okay.
Binili din namin to sa Don Quixote. Ito yun, Biodance. Meron kami dito sa Vancouver. I'm sure sa ibang mga Korean stores anywhere in Canada, meron din ito. But, mas mura siya nung nakita namin siya sa Japan. So, we just bought it. Ayan.
Yeah. And we collect stickers from anywhere that we go. So this is going to be our Japan sticker. And these are things from Loft also. Okay, so this one is the Shupato bags. They're really cool bags. This one is our pasalubong for my aunt. So we're not going to open that one. We're going to open this one. This is ours. It's like a flat bag that turns into a bag. So, see, look. It's just like this. And then you can turn it into a bag. This is pretty small.
It's good for 2 milks.
Yeah. So it just turns like this. And then it's so easy to keep because you just go like that again. And then you fold it. So nice. Okay.
And then we also got this protein matcha powder. Binili namin siya sa Matcha Tokyo, yung pangalan ng ng store na yun. Store ba? Or parang cafe, parang ganun. And Nagustuhan namin siya. Although pre-made yung mga ice nila na matcha latte, but it's still super good. And then this one, we haven't tried it, so binili namin kasi. So namin siya i-try.
Then we have more smiskies, but these ones are pasalubongs.
Alin ang akin dito?
These ones.
These two?
Yeah.
Lalagay ko sa office.
Sure.
Okay.
And a bunch of pens because they have really nice pens. And this letter opener.
Very cool ang letter opener. And then the next one, these are a bunch of pasalubongs din. Binili namin siya, I forgot the name ng ano, pero binili namin to siya sa parang isang convenience store nila na parang drugstore din. So, of course, hindi mawawala yung KitKat Matcha. Ito, KitKat Matcha. And then may KitKat Gold. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero that looks very
It's like
good.
salted caramel.
Parang caramel, oo. And then, itong almond na Meiji na ano, na matcha something din. Another ng ano, ng KitKat. Ito, gusto namin to i-try na ano, na ramen. This one is their milk something. Ito,
It's like a Tokyo banana but a different brand.
oo. Ito yung Tokyo banana. Ito, parang Tokyo banana din siya. Parang ganito. Pero ito yung dadalhin ko to sa ano, sa work. Papakain ko to sa kanila. And then this one too.
And I got this thing. We're gonna try it because I have a wart on my foot. So we're gonna try this one.
And then, what else? This one too. I think that's
More
yours.
stuff. Okay, more sunscreen. This one is Biore. We're using one right now, and it's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the whipped cream one, so it comes out like a whipped cream. It's really nice. That one is really nice. Tested and good. This one is pasalubong. It's just matcha latte. And another one of the mask things, but this is just like eye patches. These ones are for Tika because hers got confiscated at customs.
Hmm?
Yeah, because she put it in her luggage, like carry-on.
Tita Raquel, yeah.
Okay, obviously we really like these ones, so we got more. So we had 3 of those. This one is like a thing to kill mold for the...
Sa washroom kasi guys, di ba, pag nagmo-moist ng sobra, pag hindi naka-release yung moist and hindi na-dry totally yung washroom, nagkakaroon ng mold, minsan lalo na sa mga sulok-sulok. And this one we saw, na it's a good product daw, so we're just gonna try this one. Hindi pa naman namin siya gagamitin, but when the time comes na gagamitin namin siya, we'll show it to you kung paano. But yeah.
Okay, and then we have these like eye masks that get warm when you use them. And I tried it once at the hotel. It was really nice. I fell
So it
asleep.
looks like this. Ganyan.
was good.
Yeah.
It's
Maganda.
apparently good to like warm up your eyes too, according to our optometrist, because tear glands get...
Mm-mm. Wow.
So yeah, it's good
May
to-
iba-iba din siyang ano, amoy. Parang scent ba? Kumbaga, parang nakaka-relax din siya sa ano, sa eyes niyo. Or like when you're using it or while you're using it. And then more of these almonds something. I didn't know that you got this.
Yeah, I got one.
What is this?
Just iced coffee.
Okay. Iced coffee.
And then this
And
one.
then what is this? The mochi. I wanna try this.
And another Ichiran ramen pack. Okay, next. Is that it?
A bunch of ironi. I have a bunch of ironi. Like
Oh, that's
one,
really good.
two,
Can I have one more?
three. Where is it? Where did I here? We also got this one. Kasi kung nag-research nito, it's good for ano, for iron and folic. 5,
6 Toronto? 7?
Does that sound correct to you?
I got this one. It's so cute. Now open it now.
May mga gachas din si Kim na nakuha niya. These ones, mga small things. And then, we got, bunch of Hironos. Have 7 hero. And, ano pa ba? Mawala yung mga maliliit. And then, we went to, Totoro store. Kasi dun sa Skytree, may isang store dun na, puro Totoro. Actually, mga Studio Ghibli stuff. And, pumasok kami dun. Pumili kami nito ng mga medyas. And then, ano pa ba? Mga Hirono, ni Kim, 7 ka boxes. And then, also a case. Looks like this, Hirono case. And then, I also got mga charms, Molly charms. I don't know if ito, nakikita niyo ba siya? Ayan. And then, bumili din si Kim ng
Family Mart socks. I'm wearing one right now.
sa Family Mart. Comfy ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a cushion.
May cushion siya. So, bumili siya ng tatlong Family Mart na na, what do you call this? Socks. And then, what else?
Yeah.
Yung friend namin ni Kim, nagpadala siya ng Onitsuka na shoes. So, we got her the Onitsuka shoes. That one. Yung sa amin ni Kim, the same lang. Pareho kami ng design. But, yes. And now, the moment of truth. So, nag-accumulate na yung total na nabili namin, guys. Sa kabuuan ng to, siguro umabot na to mga 500 more or less. And may mga big purchases kami. Do you wanna do the owners?
Okay, my mission was to get this Gayak 10 so I can finally unbox it. I cannot use it for another week. But
Why?
because they just made it. It has to ferment. I don't know. Something like that. Because they make the... Okay, so with Lalabo, they make the perfumes in store and they package it in store. It doesn't come pre-made. So you can't use it for like 14 days, 15 days after you buy it. But this one is the Gaia 10 that's exclusive at Tokyo. And it smells really nice. So
They come here, nagkakaroon din naman ng gayaktan dito sa Vancouver, but it's very seasonal. So,
yeah, only like once a year in the months of August, September,
yeah.
until October. I think it's a short time, and it's only until like they can make it. So it doesn't last long, and a lot of people want it because it smells really nice. But I can't open it, and I can't get this one to work. So. I think we had to buy like the thing and I didn't buy it. That was a fail.
But anyway, it looks like this, guys. Ito yung itsura niya. Siguro familiar naman na kayo niyan. And it says exclusive or made in Tokyo.
Labeled in Tokyo on May 1st, 2026 for Kim Cat. And this was a big purchase because this one is only 50 ml and it costs almost $500.
It's almost $500. Yeah, diet Kim.
So
si Kim, she's really into fragrances.
look at that!
Ito. Ayan. She's really into fragrances. Mahilig siya sa perfumes. Ako, any scents naman will do. Depende talaga
It's so small.
Depende talaga sa pang-amoy. But, may particular siya na mga scents na hinahanap. And we do have other perfumes na andito na sa amin. And then this one is just an additional perfume sa nakastock na namin. And speaking of perfume,
I also bought these ones. Well, actually, I didn't buy these ones. Kat bought these ones for me because my card did not work. But these are tambourines. Also a perfume shop. And this is so cute. This one smells really good. But I wanted this small one because of the packaging.
Yeah.
I don't know how big. This one is only 14 ml. But these are cheap than Lalabo.
It's around 100 something yung dalawa na.
Yeah, so $50 for 14 ounces, which is kind of expensive. But look at how cute that is. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like an egg. Look. So this one is called Camo or Chamo.
It's Camo. Yeah, so ito yung brand, Tambourines. I think nabanggit na ni Kim yan before na it's a Korean brand. And nabasa ba?
Wet all over.
I think it's okay. It's fine. Yeah. And then, this one, what else did we get? So, I also got my, yung Seiko na
Watch.
Nano Universe. Siya sa Japan. It's exclusive in Japan, isn't it?
Yeah.
Exclusive in Japan. And so, I got that one costs, I don't know,
300 something? 400?
yeah. So, ito yun siya. Para siyang cartier na, like that. Ano? So, it's that one. This. So, it's called, Seiko Nano Universe, that one. And then, we also bought a bag. Long time. Ano lang siya, yung maliit na bag, yung cross body na bag. So, mas mura siya dun. Ano, I don't know if mas mura siya dun. But
I
anyway,
think
yeah.
so because
The dollar is cheap, yeah. So, ito yun siya. So, yung kasalukuyan na work bag ko ngayon is Longchamp. And then, nag-gift din sa akin si Kim before ng wallet na Longchamp. So, I have very, tayo sa Longchamp. Very loyalista tayo sa Longchamp, guys. So, ito, it looks like this. Yan.
oh, it
And
cracked. That's why. This one.
Ano?
Look, maybe I can email.
Yeah. And then, pumili din tayo ng charm sa Longchamp. Ito siya.
See?
Pero yung bottle, okay naman.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was fine.
Ito yun siya. Here. Sa kabayo one. So, yeah. That's it. I think, kaya kami na sa custom kasi medyo mataas yung namin. Hindi na, mataas yung value ng dala namin pabalik. And hindi namin siya na properly declare. So, that's it. So, kung may mga sobrang malaking value kayo na dinadala from Japan or I think anywhere, and kasi sa custom, naman, tinatanong naman yan kung magkano value dinala nyo pabalik. So, yeah. Hindi, nakaligtaan namin yung question na yun. So, we were like, okay, nawala sa utak namin. That's our fault. So, yun yung kabuuan ng kabuuan ng pag-shop namin sa Japan. Overall, it was a good bakasyon. We went to a couple of shrines and temples. And then,
This one is fine.
ang dami din namin nakainan. But mostly, na-busy kami sa skincares. Yun lang.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, this one is fine. The other one is not.
Siguro yan. Kailangan.
Okay, done.
Okay, I think we're done. I think that's it. Sunscreens, pasalubongs, perfumes, Hironos, moisturizers, skincares overall, bags, and then shoes.
Okay.
But yeah.
So silly. Okay, we're just gonna clean this up and yeah. See you guys later. It came with a cleanser too. Look.